So my background is interesting in the sense that I thought when I went to law school that I'd go into corporate law. I was a marketing major in college. In my second summer, I had interned for one of New Jersey's finest criminal defense lawyers, and it was at that moment that I knew for sure that I wanted to practice criminal law. I spent a year plus with him during law school, which led me to a clerkship to clerk for the presiding criminal judge in Union County. From there, I went to the Bergen County Prosecutor's Office, where I spent nearly 4 years doing all the facets, from juvenile to grand jury to trial work, and tried a number of cases in different areas and with different experts. I wanted to get exposure to drug distributions, burglary, sexual assaults, and things like that. So I had an opportunity to do that in Bergen County earlier in my career. Shortly after that, I went into Essex County's government as Deputy County Counsel, and that role had me representing the Essex County Prosecutor's Office, the Essex County Sheriff's Department, and its Department of Corrections. So again, interfacing and representing law enforcement in constitutional torts, such as false arrest, police brutality, the things that you see very active in today's society. And I just felt that that experience did a few things for me. One, it got me into federal court. Two, it had law enforcement as my clients in defending their interests. From there, I practiced mostly criminal law between, say, 2002 and 2018 as a criminal defense lawyer, running a wide range of criminal cases, from blue-collar cases, but a lot of white-collar. Financial frauds, healthcare fraud. In fact, I spent a few years doing almost exclusively healthcare fraud defense cases. But in 2018, my career took an interesting turn, and I got an opportunity to serve as an assistant United States attorney and special counsel to the U.S. attorney in New Jersey. So I did that from roughly 5 years ago, almost to the day, to the end of 2020. So about 2.5 years. And that gave me a unique experience to handle federal cases as a prosecutor, to see cases from the inside, like I did as a state prosecutor, and put those cases and bring those cases to fruition before the courts, put me before just about every district court judge and magistrate in the District of New Jersey. And then coming from that experience, it did one other thing for me as well. I was the federal government's point person to all state, county, and municipal law enforcement agencies. So I would have been at all 21 counties, chiefs of police meetings, county prosecutor's office meetings, and of course with a lot of greater focus on the bigger cities, Newark, Jersey City, Paterson, and I led a violent crimes initiative in Paterson to tackle their violent crimes issue, bringing what traditionally is brought by, say, the Passaic County Prosecutor's Office and the Paterson Police Department, occasional help and some help certainly from the state police, but we brought in our federal partners, meaning us as federal prosecutors in the Department of Justice, together with the DEA, the ATF, Homeland Security, and FBI, for example, to root out violent crime in the city of Paterson.
Wow. So you're just starting out.
Yes. Yeah. Listen, one thing I can tell you is I've been blessed by the experiences and the people who I've gotten a chance to work with and the opportunities I have gotten. There is no, I recognize that. I've had the good fortune to be surrounded with a number of good people, like joining Mandelbaum in January of 2021 and to chair this department along with Damian Conforti.